I want Martin.
What do you want?
Barbie.
Barbie?
Yes.
Are you pretty?
For Barbie.
What are you eating? What?
This one.
What does it taste like? Sweet? Strawberry?
Finish.
Finish!
Where are you? Look. Mommy, say smile.
Nakita kasi kami. Smile.
Is that your favorite? Peanut butter.
Peanut butter.
Yummy.
Yummy.
Again. Peanut butter.
Let me show you.
Are you princess?
Are you? I want more. I want more.
So many orange.
I want more.
What more?
I want more there.
May mga tira na lang sa ano namin. Pero ano naman.
I want more.
Walang ano. Sanggatos na lang abig ko. Parang makaroon na abig ko.
Oh no.
Your color red, but you're orange.
I don't like that.
Why?
Sabi niya. Pwede ka. Sige man, ano pag ano lang naiyak ko mag ano ka na, balik mo na sa laguna.
I have superpowers.
Superpower. What's your superpower?
This one. Happen to me. Tell me.
Count. How many are you?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Oh, so many. So many.
Baka maano na yun.
Mayroon pa yung mga
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
What happened to me?
There's so many.
Tita!
Dami.
Oh no! What happened to my tita?
You count? How many?
1, 2, 3, 4. Josephine!
Josephine. How many is Josephine?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So many.